Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back. This is part 2 of our carrot juice video. Let's continue by talking about safety, side effects, and important things to keep in mind. Benefits you may notice, plus what carrot juice cannot do. Some benefits are practical, not magical. Carrot juice can make it easier to get your veggies in, especially for people who struggle with texture or don't have time to cook. It can also support hydration, since it's mostly water. If you drink it alongside breakfast, it can feel like a fresh, bright start to the day. Over weeks and months, the nutrients may support eye health as part of an overall balanced diet. Some people also notice their skin looks a bit more even or glowy, but that's usually from the bigger picture: better nutrition, better hydration, and more plants overall. Carrot juice can also be useful on low appetite days, like when you're stressed or getting over an illness. It's not a meal replacement, but it can add calories and nutrients when solid food feels hard. Myth versus fact. Carrot juice won't detox your liver. Your liver already handles that job. It also won't melt belly fat, cure acne overnight, or replace whole fruits and vegetables. Whole produce brings fiber, chewing, and fullness that juice can't match. How to drink carrot juice the smart way: taste, timing, and balanced recipes. The best way to drink carrot juice is the way that fits your routine and doesn't upset your stomach. For many people, that means keeping portions moderate and pairing it with food. Because it's lower in fiber than whole carrots, it can hit your system faster than you expect. If you're buying bottled carrot juice, scan the label like you would for any drink. Look for 100% juice if you want pure carrot. Check for added sugar, some blends sneak it in, and keep an eye on sodium, especially in vegetable blends. Fresh juice can taste earthy and sweet, almost like a liquid carrot stick. If that flavor feels strong, mix it with citrus, cucumber, or a small amount of fruit. You'll likely enjoy it more, and you'll stick with it. Portion and timing. How much is a good idea for most people? For most adults, a small glass to about cup is a reasonable starting point. If you're new to it, start with a smaller serving a few times per week, then adjust based on how you feel. Why not chug a huge bottle? Carrot juice has concentrated natural sugars and calories, and it doesn't have the fiber that slows digestion. That can mean you feel hungry again sooner, or you may notice a quick energy rise and drop. A steadier approach is to drink carrot juice with a meal, or pair it with protein or healthy fat. Think eggs, Greek yogurt, nuts, or a nut butter toast. It can help you feel more satisfied and keep your energy more even. Also, juice is not water. Enjoy it, but keep plain water in the mix throughout the day. Simple carrot juice combos that taste better and feel more filling. Carrot plus orange. Brighter and less earthy, with a classic sweet tart taste. Carrot plus apple plus ginger. Sweeter with a spicy kick. Ginger can also feel soothing. Carrot plus cucumber plus lemon. Lighter and more refreshing. Great when you don't want a sugary sip. Carrot plus a small amount of beet. Deeper flavor and color. Keep beet smaller since it can be strong. Carrot plus turmeric plus a pinch of black pepper. Warm and savory. Pepper helps your body absorb some turmeric compounds. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.